is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some tie-dyeing for you guys. I got a couple of tie-dye kits for Christmas and I decided, you know what, I want to tie-dye today. So today is the day. I really want to tie-dye a couple of things. I wanted to tie-dye this white sweater, and if I have a little bit more dye left over, I want to tie-dye this white tank top. I'm going to be doing today in this video. I have a tie-dye kit, so I pretty much have everything that I need in front of me. Sneezed all over the place. So I have 3 bottles. I have a green, a blue, and an orange, so I'm using 3 colors. I have a little spray bottle of water to wet the fabric before putting the dye on. Some gloves, which my fingers are already blue and purple because I was playing around with tie-dye yesterday, so that's why. And I have some elastic bands. I have tons of those. So what I needed was just the elastics and the sweater. I hope this turns out. I see some people do it like this way, I guess. I don't know. Pretty much just like scrunching the sweater. That's the design I'm doing. I'm just going to crunch it all together. To get my elastics now and hold it together. Okay, I'm going to take an elastic and tie it around the sweater. Another elastic. Another elastic. Got my dye here. Got some gloves. I'm going to damp the fabric before I put the colors on it. Just help the colors go onto the fabric better. I'm going to put my gloves on. Get her done. Sectioned it off so it was easier for me to know where I was putting my colors. So that's just how I'm doing it anyways. Hey, here we go. I'm actually kind of scared. I'm going to start off, I think, at the corner. Guys, I think that's good enough. It's going everywhere. So here is the colors of mine that I did. You can see some of the white still, which is fine. Just going to put this in a bag and let it sit for 24 hours. See what the finished look is in 24 hours. I'm just going to scrunch it up too. This is a lot easier than doing a sweater. Around the top. Did it. Crinkled it up just like that. And spray the fabric. Put this one in a bag. Shall wait for this one too. So I am done with the sweater and the tank top. Now it is the waiting game. You guys go for now, and I will be back with the reveal. See what it looks like. This is the sweater. This is how it turned out. I love it so much. It's the back looks like. I like it. It's really warm. Kind of cool tonight, so this is what it looks like, and I'll show you guys the tank top. I love it. I think it looks so cool. I love the colors. That looks like... That is the tank top. It's my favorite. So, yeah, that is the sweater and the tank top. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And I know I look rough, but it's Sunday. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.